Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You've opened the YouTube video. Now start it and pause where speech is clear so captions sync better. Once done, look at the player controls along the bottom. CC if visible, the gear icon for settings, or the three-dot menu on mobile. These are the entry points to subtitles. Make sure your account device language is set how you prefer, because YouTube can surface auto-translated captions based on that. Now move to the Captions control to turn them on. You toggle captions with the CC button for an immediate preview. If you want a different language or style, open Settings and choose Subtitles/CC. From there, pick the original caption language if provided, or enable auto-translate and select your target language from the list. You can also adjust text size and font for readability. Because auto-translate is machine-generated, expect occasional errors. Still, it's useful for gist comprehension. Once you set language and style, captions will persist for that browser or app session. On mobile, tap the three-dot menu and pick captions to enable them. On desktop, press C as a fast toggle. If captions aren't available, that usually means the creator didn't add them or auto captions are off for that video. In that case, update the YouTube app, clear cache, or reload the page first. If problems persist, make sure your device accessibility captions aren't conflicting, and consider requesting subtitles from the creator or using
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.